So what I have here on my workbench today is something that I just recently picked up. It's an old tube radio. This one's from 1953, and it's a German radio, and it's WEGA, and in German I believe that's pronounced Vega. So interesting, this that company, I was reading up on it a little bit, and it was purchased by Sony later on, and they ended up making a line of televisions with I think they call it the Sony Wega, or back then maybe it was Vega even then, but I always remember it as being Vega. They were those big, huge, heavy cathode, cathode tube TVs that they made, the Trinitrons and stuff like that. Big screen, but they weighed like 150, 200 pounds. So anyways, it's no longer in existence as a German company, and I don't even know if Sony still makes that brand. It has the bakelite case, since it was made in 1953. And case is in pretty good shape, other than this corner down here. You can see there's some cracking in there, and someone hastily glued it back together, but it did keep all the pieces there. So hopefully I'll be able to do something there to smooth that out, make it look better than that. And on the back, you can see the power cord here, not the original plug, but it has the original power cord. The back panel here, you see it's a Wega Fox 53, and all the wording is in German on the back. You can see that one, I think, says loudspeaker and phono. I'm not sure what that's for. Antenna. I'm not sure what that is either. Covered over. Then there's like some sort of warning here. So anyway, interesting back panel, in good shape. So turning it around here, I haven't really done anything with this. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I plugged it in and it didn't blow up, so let it warm up a little bit. The dials here work pretty good. This part here allows you to select which band you want to use, and I believe it has, looks like it has a shortwave, well, those countries listed there, and I believe it has AM, FM, and like a airline or weather channel. So, and this works to move the channel selector across the screen there. Then this is the on-off and volume control. So I'm going to switch it on. Get here. So it does make a sound, but I haven't been able to pick up any frequency, so haven't even opened up the back, so I'll have to take a look at that. I believe it seems to be somewhat working. I'll have to clean it up, and I'll report back on my progress. If anyone has any suggestions on how I might move forward on getting it to receive broadcasts and how to fix the bakelite, I'll be open to suggestions.